Some violations in Colorado are so serious that the law allows landlords to demand the tenant vacate without any opportunity to cure. The 3-day unconditional quit notice is reserved for these situations. Welcome to TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Here's when and how to use Colorado's 3-day unconditional quit notice. Under C.R.S. Paragraph 13 to 40, 104(1)(c), a landlord may serve a 3-day unconditional notice to quit when a tenant has committed a substantial violation, including criminal activity on the premises, significant property destruction, or repeated violations after a prior cure notice within the preceding 6 months. Unlike the 10-day cure notice, the unconditional notice gives the tenant no opportunity to fix the problem. After 3 days without vacating, you can file for eviction. Colorado courts require strong evidence to support an unconditional quit notice. Criminal activity should be documented with police reports or arrest records. Property damage should be photographed and documented. Repeated violations require copies of prior notices. The 3-day period is calendar days. Serve the notice by personal delivery or posting with certified mailing, and document the service date carefully. Our free Colorado 3-day unconditional quit notice is formatted to C.R.S. paragraph R1340 104(1)(c) requirements. For the free form and Colorado eviction resources, visit TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com.